Bridge knot. So you're drying some roses here.
Okay.
These are the organic roses, rose petals for the Tulsi Rose tea, yes? Grown in fields just past that hedge over there. What kind of rose is this?
Not this is the pick 2-3 days back, 2 days. Due to rain, we save only here inside. This today we found some sun and get some dry.
Drying it again.
Yeah.
But this is when we normally pick it, is during the monsoon.
Yes. We will try to purchase one dryer system,
Mhm.
small dryer, electric dryer, very little temperature
Yeah.
we can dry there.
Right. Nice. What are they sorting through over there?
This is the bromine.
Ah, Brahmi. Acha. Centella?
Yeah.
Acha.
Where in forest people are starting with the other grasses, dry grasses. In forest much of the leaves and are there, right? So we are bringing and that.
Acha.
And here we further spread the women's to starting all the foreign materials.
Acha. So where's this Brahmi from?
South with forest side.
Which forest?
Satna forest side.
Satna. Near
Singapore.
Singapore.
Yeah.
This is Singapore Brahmi.
Yeah.
Singapore, Sing means lion, Pur means place. It's a place in central India where their last was lions. That's how wild it is. I've been in that forest, and it's great. It's stream fed, which is really important because Brahmi's so good at cleaning water. If your water's not clean, the Brahmi will become contaminated. Is that right?
Therefore, really, Brahmi is always low-lying area.
Yeah.
The whole water is coming.
All the water
from
comes to it.
That is the biggest problem for the Brahmin.
Yeah.
Here we are going to cultivate the bacopa. We are not going now up collecting from the other places. We are cultivating at the park. On the small trial, even bacopa.
Acha.
2 times, this area is a 2 times cut.
Acha, this is the second.
This is now this comes third.
Baha. Yeah, Bala.
This is the second cut. Now going for the third.
There she blows.
Other beds are you take the photographs of that beds. That is ready for the harvesting.
Konsa.
Next one, last one.
Wow. Wow, is that
Bigger one,
is that ever bitter?
Look. These are
Wow, that's the best bacopa I've ever seen.
no dirty water, nothing.
Wow.
Our production is too high also. In one cutting we found here in this bed in our research 40 quintal in acre.
40 quintal in 1 acre.
1 acre. This area we have calculated by this area only.
Right.
Big Brahmina like this. Go more dense. Yeah, you look this, na? Like this.
This is the most gorgeous Brahmi I've ever seen. This is fantastic. Oh yeah, very good.
Develop the technology for cultivating bacopa here. Otherwise, this is muddy water and very long-lying area. This will be happen.
Exactly.
Area. So dirty water, polluted water is coming from the upper places.
Right.
Like maybe pesticide and this.
But here it's bahut saf,
Bahut saaf, yes.
totally clean. Here in our temple, there's Buddha. Yes, wonderful. Wonderful. Sabaya, what about the whole thing that this is the true Brahmi?
Yes.
that the Bacopa
Yeah.
is true Brahmi.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Bacopa is really working for the internal nervous system, enhancing the brain power and everything.
Yes.
But Centella acetica have some side effects,
Mm-hmm.
like burning skin, burning sensation,
Acha.
because that increase the peripheral blood circulation.
Acha.
So Centella acetica is given to the patient of the leukoderma also to cure the skin diseases also.
Mm. Right. Yeah.
Why skin diseases cured by the Centella acetica? Because if the peripheral blood circulation is increased, more are the oxygenated blood is going to the infected area.
Right.
Due to the oxygen, bacteria is killed, and slowly,
Right.
wounds are skin diseases are cured.
Yeah. You know, both the Centella and the Bacopa also have an effect on the quality of the protein bonds.
Yes.
You know, and the higher the quality protein bonds, the faster the healing, the less wrinkles. It's I think also one of the mechanisms around why it's so good for varicose veins. Yes.
Yes. That is control the whole the neurine system. No?
Right.
This control also the internal nervous, so very deep nerve systems are going.
Right.
That is controlled by this one.
Right. The CNS.
Yes, CNS.
Yes. Yeah, that's interesting. This is more bitter. The Bacopa is more bitter, and it so it would naturally work at a higher frequency. Yes. The more bitter,
Bitter, yes.
the higher the frequency. Yes.
Yes.
Which in this case, wow,
Bitter?
very bitter. Oh. Wonderful Baya. Right, what's soil? Like how have you created this soil to be so good? To generate such incredible Brahmi? What have you done with the soil?
How
Is
it's
it
going?
is it biodynamic?
Yes.
So this is organic, biodynamic.
But we have no certificate of the biodynamic. We have the only NOP.
Acha.
Now we left the Demeter certificate. We are not getting any benefits of the Demeters.
Ah.
No materials are sold as a Demeter. Not
Right.
getting the extra benefits.
Right.
We certification cost is going too high, 2 lakh,
Right.
3 lakh rupees. So I'm left there.
Ah, 3 lakh rupees.
Yes. If you sell any material as a biodynamic Demeter certified, then they are taking some percentage on the sell basis also.
Wow. So 3 lakh rupee for one farm?
Yes, for one farmer group.
That's incredible. That's like $8,000, right?
Yes.
$8,000 for one farmer. That's
Not
such...
one farmer. One full project.
Acha.
Full
Acha.
project. For 1 year.
For just a single year.
Every year.
Wow.
We are not getting any benefits now.
Right.
No one ready to buy the Demeter certified products.
Right. Yeah. But it is all biodynamic. That's great.
But
And there's
all the practices we are maintaining all the
Right.
practices of biodynamic.
Yes. Nice. We have the Vinca over there.
Yes.
Some
This is-
Vinca. We have some
For
art.
photographs.
Yes. Beautiful. We have, look at this. We have some Blue Mamlaki right there.
Bhumamal is a coming time.
Boomy. Wonderful Boomy. We have, I just saw some Arjuni. Look at this is Arjuni.
Arjun. This is the Euphorbia hirta. Dudhi. Some people
Right.
say Dudhi. This is used for the dysentery also.
Right. Yes, not to be confused with Arjuna. There's only about 60 feet difference. Arjuna being a 60-foot tall tree and Arjuni being this wonderful little herb. And there it is.
Amalki.
Amla with all its many leaves. Om Hari Om. Hari Om.